these days days for the Christians, they celebrate the New Year, and also they have the Christmas, and of course this is not allowed to celebrate with them. It is not allowed to celebrate the New Year, and also to celebrate with them the Christmas, to say to them Merry Christmas, or we should avoid that. We as Muslims, we have our Eid. Yes, wallahi, we feel very sorry that many Muslims celebrate with the kuffar. It's not allowed. It's not allowed. We should focus on our Eid. We have Eid al-Adha, Eid al-Fitr. And we should oppose the kuffar, not to go with them and their religious celebrations. This is haram. Okay, if he has a new baby, you congratulate him. Okay, no problem. But the problem when you go to them in the New Year or the Christmas and you celebrate with them that Jesus is the Son of Allah or He is Allah. It's not allowed. Don't feel shame. Don't feel shame. You should reject that and discuss with them. If they say why, you discuss with them. You explain to them why you are celebrating the New Year. Wallah, this is the birth of Isa alayhi salam. Okay, do you have a proof? Okay, maybe they say also you celebrate the Milad al-Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Yes, the Muslim Ummah, most of them maybe celebrate the Milad al-Nabi, but this is wrong. Okay, alhamdulillah, many Muslims don't celebrate Milad al-Nabi because it is not Sunnah, because we don't know the date. We mentioned this before maybe 2 months or 3 months. So please, brothers, sisters, be proud of your religion. Don't compromise your religion, especially the Aqidah. Don't compromise them. Don't feel shame. Barakallah fikum.